In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to power automate update item in SharePoint list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a flow that updates an existing list item reliably and how to test it with confidence. First, go to make.powerautomate.com and sign in. From the left menu, choose Create. You'll see options for different flow types. Pick Automated Cloud Flow if you want the update to happen when something specific occurs, like a new item is added or changed. Choose Instant Cloud Flow if you prefer to run it manually on demand. This choice simply defines how the flow starts. Everything else we configure will be the same. Next, choose your trigger. Common dependable options are when an item is created or modified, manually trigger a flow, or when a response is submitted in forms. Select the trigger that matches your scenario and click Create. If you're unsure, the created or modified trigger is a flexible choice for SharePoint updates because it fires whenever data changes. Now add the SharePoint action. Click New Step, search for SharePoint, and select Update Item. This is the action that will write changes back to your list. Configure the action carefully. In Site Address, pick the SharePoint site that hosts your list. In List Name, select the list you want to update. For ID, choose the ID from dynamic content, typically provided by your trigger. This ID is critical. It tells Power Automate exactly which list item to update. If you use the wrong ID, the flow will either fail or update the wrong record, so make sure it comes directly from the item that triggered the flow or from the item you intend to modify. Fill in the fields you want to update and re-enter any required fields even if you're not changing their values. For example, map title from dynamic content so it isn't left blank, set status to completed if that's your outcome, and choose a value for assign to. Match the data types to the column types. For person, choice, or date columns, select dynamic content that fits those formats. Leaving a required field empty will cause the flow to fail. When everything looks right, click Save, then click Test. Trigger the flow according to the start you picked. Create or modify an item for an automated trigger, or run it manually for an instant flow. After it runs, open Run History to confirm success. Green check marks indicate the update worked. If you see an error, expand the failed action to read the message. Most issues come from a missing required field or an incorrect ID. Fix the mapping, save, and test again. That's it. Your flow now updates SharePoint list items automatically and reliably.